Welcome to the Paint Spot, an award-winning art materials store run by artists. We run art classes, feature artists in our gallery. The show changes every 6 weeks. We are located in Edmonton, just off White Avenue and 99th Street. We've been serving local artists for 36 years, and of course now we ship across Canada. As you can see, we're well stocked with everything you need and everything you didn't know you needed. Here's our wall of chiagami and tissue paper. The Japanese paper place has such an enormous selection that we have to take turns choosing our favorite chiagami, and sometimes we bring in guest artists and we curate the changing show on a seasonal basis. This is Michelle's favorite pattern. I'm more into the earth tones. Here you can see artwork created using chiagami in unusual ways for collage on canvas, and also buried in wax for encaustic art. This is a sample created by artist Shelley Banks. She used it for her colored pencil class, where chiagami inspired the designs. We are happy to special order designs for you. This is Michelle, she's our purchaser, and she does use the material in her own encaustic art as well. So if you send your order to info@paintspot.ca, Michelle will get it. Chiagami is a screen printed washi paper, and in some cases it takes 5 to 15 layers of color to create this beautiful paper that you can use for your own artwork. Looking for an idea of what to do with Tama tissue? Here's what we did. We glued it onto our office windows to block out the sun. If you're like me and such an amazing selection makes you want to try everything, don't get overwhelmed. Ask for one of the sample packages, from the heritage paper to the block printing paper sample packs. They're a great way to test everything. We keep every sample that is sent to us by Japanese Paper Place in a reference binder so you can see the actual paper and feel it and see the design up close before you order it. Learning about materials is one of the perks to working at the Paint Spot, but we do make our training manuals and binders available for customers to look at. So pull up a chair to a display table and bring a coffee, and you can sit down and go through all of our experiments and our examples at your leisure. Just last week, we tried our new printing presses, our new water-based block print inks to do a lot of printmaking on the washi paper. And yes, you can make chiagami into functional art. We have the recipe for the konjaku powder to turn paper back into fabric. Paintspot.ca is a brand new website where you can order all sorts of materials. And we've just upgraded our Japanese paper section. You'll find it on the side under paper, then look for Japanese washi paper, click on that. And you'll see we have categories to separate the paper, so it makes it easier to find exactly what you're looking for. We are working diligently to get a number of samples online so you can see exactly what kind of artwork you can do on each paper. Here's a tip: go to our newsletter, sign up, and you can get a 20% discount off your next order. See you soon. Beautiful materials and more at paintspot.ca.